So what's up guys? Hope you're doing fine. This is your Big Daddy Rocks and welcome again to another video. Ngayong araw na to guys, ay feature po natin ang ating Honda Carbon Cleaner. Hey! So guys, ang ating Honda Carbon Cleaner po guys ay nagkakahalaga ng 160 pesos. So guys, ang carbon cleaner po na ito guys ay additive po guys na ginawa ni Honda para linisin po guys ang combustion chamber na nakakatulong po guys sa pag-improve ng engine performance, fuel efficiency at makapag-increase po guys ng lifespan ng ating engine parts. So guys, para gamitin po guys ang ating carbon cleaner ay butasan lang po natin ito guys. Pagkatapos ay ihalo po natin guys ang isang bote nito guys sa ating fuel tank. Make sure po guys na nasa 1 or 2 bars na lang po guys ang ating fuel. Pagkatapos guys, ubusin po natin guys ang isang bote ng carbon cleaner. Ganyan lang guys. Racing nga ba sing 100? Kana. Thank you, sir. Yan guys, na-mix na po siya guys. I-ride lang po natin siya guys ng 20 to 30 minutes. Normal driving lang po natin guys. Guys, napakaganda po talaga guys pag Sunday po tayo nagra-rides guys kasi walang masyadong traffic guys. Kita nyo guys, pag Sunday drive po guys, wala pong masyadong traffic. So guys, napakasimple at napakamura lang po ng preventive maintenance na ating ginawa. Pero malaking bagay na po ito para ma-preserve natin ang ating performance at quality ng ating ADV 160. And with that guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. This is your Big Daddy Rocks. Bye for now and see you again on the next video. Peace!